This is Jason with TunaTech, and today we are going to discuss the next step of the budget gaming PC, and that is the monitor and some other accessories, mainly the keyboard. Okay, so for gaming, what would you like to do? You want to have as much real estate as possible, feel immersed, and have a quality experience. At the same time, you want to save some money. So I found this brand, and I'm going to roll it out here on the carpet. This is right here. This is the Deco brand 35-inch, back up here a little bit, 35-inch widescreen curved monitor. Now, I've never heard of Deco brands, and I want to say somewhere on the box it says made exclusively for Beach Camera. So if you're familiar with Beach Camera, they are a website that sells obviously camera related stuff as well as electronics, and this is a brand designed for them. So what is this? This is the Deco brands DG View 220. It's a 35-inch curved ultra-wide gaming monitor with a resolution of 3440 by 1440. Now the 1440 is key here because the PC I'm building is a 1440p setup. It has an 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT response time, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. It also has a 1800R curvature, which provides a more immersive experience. The monitor has 99% sRGB color gamut, which ensures accurate color reproduction. It also has a 90% DCI-P3 color gamut, which is ideal for watching movies and videos. The monitor has 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 Display 1.4 ports. It also has a headphone jack and a power adapter. So basically, it's a monitor, and we're going to open it up today. So you're thinking to yourself, what do I really want out of a monitor? And is this a good brand? Now, I've never heard this brand. A lot of the reviews online have been pretty good. And for the price, I think this usually goes for around $250. So for a 35-inch, 1440p, 120 Hertz, gaming-esque monitor, I'd say that's a hell of a price for something like that. So, with that being said, let's see if it's really worth that price. So we got a lot of styrofoam everywhere. First things first, in the bag, we've got Deck Gear instruction manual. I'm sure you're going to read this over and over and over again. Throw that off to the side. Comes with power cable. Comes with your screws for your base. An HDMI cable, which hopefully is at least 2.0, so you can get that 120 Hertz refresh rate. And it looks like some adapters, maybe for a wall mount and or for the floor mount, which is right here. And that's all the floor mount is. Put that off to the side. Now we're gonna see. So, also included is your Deck Gear hat. Now that's something I wasn't expecting. And no, I'm not gonna wear this right now, but interesting. Came with a hat. So for those who order this, you not only get a good price, you also get a hat. Again, this is the rest of the stand for the monitor. So basically we'll go like this. Put 3 screws in the bottom. And the monitor is held, looks like probably up here. So it looks nice so far. And this is the monitor. Now again, I'm not next to my setup here, so I can't like hook it up and see how good it's gonna look. But we're gonna pull it out of the box anyways. And this is what we're gonna use for this budget game PC. So hopefully, once I get this all set up, you guys can kind of see the entire setup. I mean, whatever accessories I have coming, as well as the monitor and everything else. So this is the monitor, you guys. Looking at this way, you have your, pull back a little bit, you got branding right here. You've got your buttons, power, looks like energy efficiency, up and down to the menu system and the menu button. You've got power, HDMI 2, HDMI 1, DP2, DP1, and your audio out. And what we'll do is we'll quickly throw these pieces together, and then we'll let you see what it looks like when it's all completed. All right, guys, so let me back out here a little bit. So basically, there's a little release button here, which takes the whole center side out there, and then you can lift it up, and you screw it in, and it sits like this. Now, it looks like you can tilt it up and down, and it seems to be a little top heavy. We'll have to set it on something here, but does not rotate side to side. So that might be part of just the immersion. DecoView 220 35-inch curved ultra gaming monitor. I'll leave a link in the description below. The final piece of the puzzle, and that is the keyboard. So we just went over the Deco Gear, Deco Brands 35-inch curved monitor, a beach camera subsidy brand, or made specifically for them. But this is the ROG, I guess I want to say Falcon Ace. It's a premium compact 65-inch gaming keyboard known for its small size, so it saves space. So if you travel, you want to use this external for a, in addition to a gaming laptop. I'm not doing that, but for me, it's a small computer, so I want a small keyboard. It's got ROG NX mechanical switches for fast, smooth typing. It features PBT keycaps and a protective cover. Unique touch panel allows for quick control of volume, media, and more, and customizable RGB. You can personalize the setup, the Aurora Sync software, and it's a great choice for those who want to just game and have a great experience. So I'm going here a little bit closer. So it says here, the ROG NX brown mechanical switches, PBT, everything I just said right here. It's a little bit older. It's been out for a little while. So it says CES 2021 Red Dot winner. On the back, it kind of goes over the cover, the look, where the touch panels are. So without further ado, we're gonna just tear it right open here. So I'm not sure how interested in these keyboards can be. The one downside to this is this was supposed to be the accessory video, so I was going to do the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. But for some reason, the company that I ordered the mouse from has delayed. I sent them multiple emails, and they have still yet to get back to me. So I just got an email today, finally, saying, "Hey, we're going to have it reshipped out to you." So whatever that means. So this is the, and as you can see, it's got this shiny, or I'm sorry, let me take this thing off here. I want to say the covers. Okay, so this is the keyboard. As you can see, I'll get this close to the microphone here. Got a nice clicky feel. Very compact, not much to it. You've got your switches in the back. USB port, another USB port. You got your touch panel right here. So you can do your volume. And it says there. And then, last but not least, you have a cover. So when you're not playing, you can keep it safe from dust, hair, especially if you have pets like I do. You got your feet, so you can angle the way you play a little bit better. And that's it, guys. It's the ROG gaming keyboard. I mean, it's not much to it. I know the video was kind of a boring one, but the biggest thing when you're building a computer is once you build the computer, that's the hard part. Then you got to figure out the accessories. So I got a budget monitor, about 200 to 250 when it's on sale and in stock. And then the keyboard is actually about $100, which is pretty pricey. But again, these are often go on sale. So I know this is a budget PC, but when I bought this, it was about, I want to say I paid $43 for it. There was coupon codes, free shipping through Amazon. I'll leave the Amazon link just in case that decides to go on sale again. But this is, like I said, this is the game PC keyboard that I picked. It's from ROG, which is Republic of Gaming. And we'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks.